Hello everyone, I am Nilkant Kundu, a PhD student from HK University working on signal processing for 6G from classical to quantum communications. Starting 2020, the 5G services are already being rolled out in several parts of the world to support ubiquitous connectivity. During the pandemic, wireless technology helped us to keep people connected and enable remote learning and work. Now, researchers have started conceptualizing the new use cases and investigating new technologies that will meet the demands of ultra fast, reliable, secure, and sustainable 6G communication technology for 2030 and beyond. The recent white paper from Samsung has provided a vision for truly intelligent 6G network that will support new services like extended reality, holographic telepresence, and tactile internet. 6G will require around 10 times the data rates, reliability, latency, and twice the energy and spectral efficiency as compared to the current 5G technology. To meet these demands, new physical layer technologies and novel signal processing algorithms utilizing AI and machine learning are required, and this is the focus of my current research. For high reliability services, we have proposed a new hybrid modulation scheme called frequency phase scheme by optimizing the frequency and phase shifts. Recently, a new antenna technology called reconfigurable intelligent surface is proposed, which can control the propagation of electromagnetic waves and can be placed on the building facades as shown in the figure. RIS can be used for sustainable 6G, providing high spectral and energy efficiency. Realizing the benefits of RIS requires accurate channel estimates, and we have proposed an optimal convolution neural network based channel estimation scheme as shown in this figure. We have also proposed optimal beamforming design and carried out performance analysis to understand the fundamental limits of this new technology. Until now, communication systems are built upon the laws of classical physics. However, as predicted by Moore's law, the chipset sizes has already reached nanometer scale and the quantum effects are now inevitable. And indeed, this can be used to get enhanced performance in future communication systems. The key quantum mechanical effects are superposition, which can provide exponential speed up, quantum entanglement, which can be used to teleport quantum states, and the no cloning theorem, which can be used to provide unconditional security using quantum key distribution algorithms. My research interests are to design new modulation schemes for quantum information transfer, channel estimation for quantum optical communication system, and to investigate quantum search algorithms for solving complex problems in classical wireless systems. Quantum information science is a cross-disciplinary research area that will require the efforts of computer scientists, physicists, engineers, and mathematicians to realize an unhackable quantum internet for 6G and beyond. I would like to thank GYSS for providing the opportunity to network and learn from renowned scientists working in the area of quantum technologies. Thank you for your time.